In this video I am going to show you how to remove a background from an image. Like in this video I am going to cut out the rest of the image except the cat using the free select tool, the easiest way possible. So let's do it. First of all, select the free selecting tool from tool section in the GIMP window, in the top left corner of GIMP window. Now all you need to do is to select the cat. Now I am selecting the cat from this image. And after that, hit enter on your keyboard to select the cat. And now to remove the background from this image and take only the cat, go to the select menu in the top left corner of GIMP window, and from there select the invert option, and this will select the background instead of the cat. So after that, hit the delete key on your keyboard to delete the background, like that. And now you can copy and paste this cat from this image to another image, or make multiple copy of the cat as you want. So this is the tutorial of removing background from an image using free selecting tool in with GIMP. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and subscribe this channel. Goodbye.